Do you know the difference between normal and displacement map? If no, join us in today's class. Hello friend, welcome to our direction. Today we will learn to create normal and displacement map. It's important for you to learn this if you want to add patches and embellishment in your garment. So let's get started with being further. Today's class is not in Flow 3D. That's why my Illustrator is open, in which we will create a shape for the patch, and after that we will import this image in Flow. I am making a pizza shaped patch since everybody loves pizza, right? For this, we have to create the basic shape first. I will fast forward the video to show you the final look of it. We will begin now. Now, since the design is ready and saved, so we can open our Photoshop and import that image here first. Here we go. Our file is open. So we will start by making normal map first. Normal map helps you to give texture to the fabric or graphic which we usually have to avoid the plain appearance of any object. It's really easy to create a normal map. Just go to Filter, 3D and generate normal map. After that, there will be some adjustments to do and our normal map will be ready. We have to save it in requirement format, JPG or PNG, but the quality of this should be high to get a decent result in your project. A dialog box to create normal map will open. We can view the edits here. Our pizza shape is over a sphere currently, but you can go to the object and select any other shape like cone, cube or anything by which you can decide the final look. We will select cube. To adjust the value of normal map, you have to look closely on its shadow. Like these tomato-like blush, smiley and the eyes are looking uplifted, but as soon we invert it, our whole look will change slightly. And as soon we invert back, the things are back. It's a little detail work, but as soon you understood this, then it's a piece of cake for you. You can change these values as well. It might give you better results in some cases. I'm satisfied with this, so press OK. Our normal map is ready and here is the final look. Normal map will be bluish green in color. Let's save it in JPG format. Now we will press Ctrl Z to make displacement map. So what is displacement map? Imagine it like this. Normal map is just the appearance of texture, but displacement map is feel of it. For creating displacement map, I have imported this black and white image from internet, but you can even create it yourself. All you have to do is go to filter, render and clouds. As soon you select this option, you will get the result. But keep in mind, your fill color should be black and white only. If they are not, then press D on your keyboard. As soon you press this, it will select the color for you. But still, you will need to do some adjustments. Back to our image, I have also distorted it from the filter gallery by the sprayed stroke option. Here we can do some changes if required. We have selected this black and white image for some reason. And the reason is our displacement map. It works according to these colors only. Wherever we need height, we have to fill it with white and the rest of the area should be black, so that our stupid displacement map can know the difference between the two. For now, we are creating a patch. That's why I have selected this image to give the appearance of stitches in our patch. Now, I will set this image over our pizza shape. To have some height, I will select the uplifting area first. Selection is done. Now use your clipping mask to hide the left out area and add black in rest of the area. Our displacement layer is ready, so save it in similar manner. Finally, we are back in our Clo 3D and I have created one rectangle over which I will set the patch shaped pizza. I will create another rectangle over which we will add our graphic. Let's open our graphic now. It was saved in desktop. Here we are. You already know what will happen after opening the image. We can define its size and position from here, but for now, I will place it as it is. If we feel it small in size like we are feeling now, so we will adjust it accordingly. We have already discussed about texture and graphic in above video, that's why we won't talk much about it. If you don't know about it yet, please check its link from description box below. We will import its normal and displacement map here as well in our window. That will uplift our patch and give it some real texture. Everything is ready. Now we will trace the boundary of patch by the help of internal polygon. Our shape is traced and now we will cut this from here. With the help of select tool, move this. I will place it here and activate my trace tool and select trace as an internal shape option. Displace this pizza now and trace it again. After tracing it again, you can see the shapes of internal lines over a pattern in 3D window as well, which means it's done. Now we can remove the unnecessary things like this graphic and these internal lines. After all this, now we have to stitch them together. We have done the sewing and you can see the sewing lines in 3D window as well. Superimpose it over the lines and simulate it. Now it's time to avoid these white edges of graphic by assigning it a separate fabric. And not just that, we are even going to change the fabric color to hide that whiteness. These edges are black in color, that's why I will select the black color for fabric as well. After this, we are here in our render window where we can see the effect of normal and displacement map. All the 3D lifting we are seeing here is because of displacement map, and these rough edges are done by our normal map. You can see its smile, cheeks and eyes are little uplifted as we created in displacement map. You can even change the value of normal map from here to adjust the appearance of texture. This video is also available in Hindi. Check its link for description if you require. This is all for today's class. If this video has helped you in working, then do like it and also share it with other people. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive the notification of our new updates. You can also connect with us on Instagram and Facebook by the link shown on the screen and description box. There we also have a Facebook group link for you all to connect. And if you have any query, you can ask in comment section below. Thank you all.